Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If the light on your HPG4 docking station keeps blinking and things are not connecting the way they should, it can quickly become confusing because the dock may seem powered on but still refuse to work normally. Sometimes the blinking light appears while charging stops, displays fail to connect, or accessories suddenly stop responding. In many situations, the blinking indicator is simply the HPG4 docking station trying to signal a connection issue, power interruption, or temporary communication problem with the laptop. Since a docking station depends on stable power and a strong connection between devices, even a small issue can trigger unusual light behavior. The big thing is that many blinking light problems can be solved with a few easy checks before assuming something is damaged. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix an HPG4 docking station light blinking issue. Try these. Step 1. Disconnect the HPG4 docking station from power and reconnect the HPG4 docking station power adapter securely. Step 2. Remove the laptop from the HPG4 docking station and reconnect the laptop to the HPG4 docking station carefully. Step 3. Restart both the laptop and the HPG4 docking station to refresh the HPG4 docking station connection. Step 4. Inspect the ports and cable connection on the HPG4 docking station to make sure the HPG4 docking station connection is clean and secure. Step 5. Check for updates related to the HPG4 docking station. So, the HPG4 docking station works properly with the laptop. Step 6. Watch the HPG4 docking station light again and confirm the HPG4 docking station stops blinking and works normally.